Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese garlic sauce. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready to go. You'll need butter, fresh minced garlic, and a little all-purpose flour to create a roux. Also, prepare your liquids like milk and chicken broth, along with plenty of shredded cheddar cheese. Don't forget your seasonings: salt, pepper, and a touch of cayenne for a subtle kick. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's begin crafting the delicious base for our sauce. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, add 2 cloves of freshly minced garlic. Sauté the garlic for about 1 minute, just until it becomes wonderfully fragrant, but don't let it brown. Next, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir constantly for another minute to cook out the raw flour taste, creating a smooth, golden roux. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're enjoying this easy guide, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. And on another note, imagine making this amazing cheese garlic sauce while listening to your favorite tunes or asking Alexa for a cooking timer. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your roux ready, it's time to build the creamy texture. Gradually whisk in 1 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Keep whisking to prevent any lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, continuing to stir until it begins to thicken slightly. Finally, remove the pan from the heat and stir in 1 1/2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese until it's completely melted and the sauce is wonderfully smooth. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.